to our WPRP video series, Would You Like Fries with That? I'm Linda Anlauf. I get a lot of questions about double columns. What are the reasons for them? Well, I'll give you two. One, for impact resistance. So some people like to use an internal impact resistance, such as column century, which is like an I-beam within the column of the frame, or you can also use a double column. Gives it extra strength in case you do have impact by the forklift. But there's also another reason, and that's capacity. By using a double column on both the front and rear frames, you can gain capacity on an upright. This may actually be good in certain situations where it's less expensive to do a double column than it is to go to the next size profile on the frame. For every manufacturer, the capacity is going to be different, so it's something we'd have to check and get back to you and see what best suits your requirements. If you have any other questions about this, definitely let us know, and be sure to tune in and see us on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram. Thanks for tuning in for your 60 seconds of Would You Like Fries with That? I'm Linda Anlauf.